biology decimal, we have completed 2 exercises, and today we are going to start third exercise of this chapter. Addition, subtraction and multiplication we have already done. In this exercise we'll do division. So first part of first question, divide 2 by 5 by 10. So we have to divide it, that's why we'll use division sign first. So 2.5 divided by 10. While dividing, first of all, we'll convert this sign into multiplication so that we can reduce them, because we can reduce only with the sign of multiplication. So 2.5, first of all, we'll remove decimal. So there is only one digit in decimal place. So 25 upon 10, only 1 0 should be there, divided by 10. Denominator is missing, that's why we have used 1 as denominator. Now convert this division sign into multiplication. While converting division sign into multiplication, reciprocal of divisor will be there. This is dividend and this is divisor. So remember this thing, reciprocal of divisor will be there. 1 by 10, this is the reciprocal of 10 by 1. Now we can reduce them. But before reducing, make sure if only zeros are there, we will not reduce them. So 25 upon 10 tens are 100. So easily we can convert into decimal place. That's why we are not reducing it. Otherwise it can be reduced. 25 4s are 100. 1 upon 4. Again we'll divide them and convert into decimal. So directly we can convert into decimal. That's why we are not reducing them. So only 2 zeros are there at denominator place. So 2 digits should be in decimal places. So 0.25. This is the answer. So next part, second part is 2.5 divided by 100. This is division. So 25, first of all we'll remove this decimal, upon 10 divided by 100 upon 1. Now what will be our next step? Convert this multiplication, the division sign into multiplication, and at the same point we do the reciprocal of divisor. When we convert this division sign into multiplication, at the same time we do the reciprocal of the divisor. So 25 upon, again it can be reduced, but we are not reducing, because 10 multiplied 100 it will be 1000. So only zeros are in decimal place, denominator. So convert into decimal place. 3 digits should be there in decimal place. 0.25. This is the answer. Third part, 2.5 divided by 1000. So first of all, in first step we'll remove decimal. Next step we'll do reciprocal. By doing reciprocal, this sign convert into multiplication. 1 upon 1000, 25 upon 1000, tens are 10,000. Now 4 zeros we have at denominator place, so 4 digits should be in decimal places. 0 to 5. We have only 2 digits, so add zeros in front of the number. So 0.0025. So same as all the question of first one. So you can do on yourself. Now question number 2 of this exercise. Again, this is division. by 0.5. So in first step we'll use division sign 0.5. Now remove decimal now. 25.5 upon 10 divided by 5 upon 10. Now this division sign change into multiplication 25, because we can reduce only with multiplication. By dividing we cannot reduce them. Multiplication, while doing division sign into multiplication, reciprocal of divisor will be there. So 5 by 10 converted into 10 by 5. Now we can reduce 10 with 10. 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So 51 is the answer of this question. Listen to me again. First of all, use division sign, then remove decimal. Division sign change into multiplication. While converting this sign into multiplication, reciprocal of divisor will be there. If they can reduce them, if ending only zeros are there at denominator place, then we can save zeros to use the decimal, but directly it can be reduced 10 with 10 and 5 with 255. So 51 is the answer of this question. So question number 2, part 2 of the same question. 22.5 by 2.5. So first 22.5 divided by 2.5. Now remove decimal. Upon 10, only one digit is decimal place. Divided by again 25 upon 10. Now convert this sign into multiplication. Upon 10 multiply 10 upon 25. Again 10 reduced with 10. Then 25 ones are 25 and 25 nines are 225. So 9 is the answer. Next, third part of the same question. Third part is 20.4 by 6. 20.4 divided by 6. Now 204 upon 10. Only one digit is there. Divided by 6 by 1. Now 204 upon 10. This division change into multiplication. Then reciprocal of divisor 6. Now reduce this 6. 6 3s are 18, 2, 24, 34. Now it can be reduced with 2. 34 upon 10 is there. 10 and 34. It can be reduced by 2. But we will not reduce them, because if 0 is at denominator place, so it will be easy to use decimal. So 34.10, we can use the decimal like this, 3.4. So 3.4 is the answer. Next, same as all the parts. So we are doing 9th part of the same question. 0.5 by 0.05. Now remove decimal. 5 by 10 divided by 5 upon 100. Convert this division into multiplication. 100 upon 5. So 5 with 5, 0 with 0. So only 10 is the answer. So complete rest parts of question number 1 and 2 yourself. Now we are going to start next question, third question.